Have you ever wondered why something as healthy as blueberries might actually be holding you back? I know, it sounds impossible. Blueberries are nature's little miracles, packed with antioxidants, rich in vitamins, praised by doctors and health gurus everywhere. But here's the truth most people never hear. It's not the blueberry that's the problem. It's how we eat them. And the surprising mistakes people make with this tiny fruit might quietly be draining your energy, spiking your blood sugar, and even aging your cells faster than you think. So today, we're counting down the 8 biggest blueberry mistakes that could be ruining your health without you ever realizing it. Stay with me till the end, because mistake number 1 is the one even doctors overlook, and it might change the way you eat forever. Welcome to WellthWise. I'm Dr. Laura. Let's dive in. Let's start with timing. Most people throw blueberries into their breakfast bowls, smoothies, or muffins right after waking up. But here's something most nutritionists won't tell you. Your blood sugar is at its most sensitive in the morning. When you combine blueberries, even though they're natural, with other carbs like oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal, your glucose levels can spike. And that's not the blueberries' fault. It's timing and pairing. Imagine this. Your body wakes up, ready to burn fat for fuel, but instead, you flood it with sugar. Natural, yes, but sugar nonetheless. This shuts down your fat-burning switch and makes you crave carbs all day. Science says, a study from the University of Surrey found that consuming fruit on an empty stomach causes a sharper insulin response, especially in adults over 50. So the fix? Eat your blueberries after protein or healthy fat, like a handful of nuts or a boiled egg. This slows down absorption and keeps your blood sugar stable. Now this one hits close to home. A few years ago, a patient told me she was eating blueberries daily, thinking she was fueling her body with antioxidants. But her energy kept dipping, and her digestion was off. When we checked her pantry, the issue was right there: non-organic blueberries. Blueberries are one of the dirty dozen, fruits most contaminated with pesticides. These chemicals can interfere with hormones, slow liver detox, and ironically, create more oxidative stress, the very thing blueberries are supposed to fight. Research backs this. The Environmental Working Group consistently ranks blueberries among the top pesticide-laden fruits. So if you can, choose organic or wash thoroughly in baking soda water. It's a small step with a massive impact. Because what good are antioxidants if they're wrapped in toxins? Picture this. You buy a beautiful box of blueberries, place them in the fridge, and a few days later, half are moldy. Sound familiar? That mold isn't just waste. It's a sign of lost nutrients. Blueberries lose up to 40% of their antioxidants within just 3 days when stored in sealed, moist containers. They're living fruits. They need air circulation. Here's Dr. Laura's quick fix. Keep blueberries in a shallow, breathable container, lined with a paper towel, and don't wash them until right before eating. This simple change preserves their anthocyanins, the deep blue pigments responsible for their anti-aging power. A small habit tweak, but over time it means more antioxidants protecting your heart, eyes, and brain. Now, this one breaks a lot of hearts, especially among muffin lovers. When you bake, boil, or heat blueberries at high temperatures, their delicate antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, begin to degrade. Studies from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry show that baking can destroy up to 80% of these compounds. That means those healthy blueberry pancakes, they might not be doing what you think. So what's the alternative? Enjoy blueberries fresh or gently warmed, maybe over low heat in a sauce, or added at the end of cooking your oatmeal. That way you preserve their healing compounds instead of burning them away. Because remember, we want nature's magic, not a memory of it. Here's a hidden one, and it surprises almost everyone. When you combine blueberries with dairy, especially milk or cream, something chemical happens. The proteins in dairy bind to the antioxidants in blueberries, neutralizing many of their benefits. One Italian study found that people who ate blueberries with milk saw no rise in antioxidant levels in their blood, compared to a 45% increase when blueberries were eaten alone. So, those blueberry smoothies made with milk, you might be canceling out the very nutrients you're trying to absorb. Dr. Laura's tip: swap dairy for plant-based milk, almond, oat, or coconut. You'll still get the creamy texture, and all the antioxidant benefits stay intact. Here's a myth I wish we could erase forever. If it's healthy, more must be better. Blueberries are amazing, yes, but they're still sugar-bearing fruits. 1 cup has about 15 grams of natural sugar, which is fine if balanced, but overdoing it can silently trigger inflammation and blood sugar imbalance. I once had a patient who was adding 2 cups of blueberries to her daily smoothie. Her A1C levels crept up, and she couldn't figure out why. When we scaled her down to half a cup, paired with fiber and protein, her energy skyrocketed and her cravings faded. Moderation doesn't mean less, it means smart. So, about half a cup daily is the sweet spot. Enough to get the polyphenols, not enough to spike the system. You might think frozen is less fresh, but the truth is the opposite. Frozen blueberries are usually picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen within hours. That locks in more antioxidants than berries that sit on a shelf for days. In fact, a study from the International Journal of Food Science and Nutrition found frozen berries retain up to 90% more vitamin C than fresh ones stored for a week. So if you live somewhere where fresh berries are expensive or seasonal, frozen is your best friend. Just make sure there's no added sugar on the label. It's not about luxury, it's about consistency. And frozen helps you stay consistent year-round. Now we reach the biggest mistake, and the most important lesson of all. Blueberries are powerful, but they're not magic pills. They're a piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. I've met people who eat handfuls of blueberries daily, but still struggle with fatigue, poor sleep, and inflammation. Why? Because health doesn't come from one superfood. It comes from balance. If your gut health, sleep, hydration, and stress are off, even the best foods can't perform miracles. So yes, eat your blueberries. But do it wisely. Pair them with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Support them with sleep, movement, and calm. That's how you turn food into fuel and habits into healing. Now, if you've learned even one new thing today, if you caught yourself thinking, "I do that one," then this is your sign to take small, smarter steps, the kind that quietly transform your body from the inside out. And that's exactly what we do every week here on WellthWise. Uncover the simple truths behind lasting health, especially for those of us who want to age strong, clear, and calm. So before you go, hit that subscribe button and join the WellthWise community. Because next week, I'm revealing the hidden morning habit that's secretly aging your skin. And trust me, it's one you'd never expect. Until then, this is Dr. Laura, reminding you to stay wise, stay well, and stay WellthWise.